Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today I'm going to show you a brand new product that we have that we're calling the Jenna 2.0. It's a folding bamboo tabletop, and this is a replacement for the factory storyteller tabletop that would normally go here. So what's different about this is it folds away. You can put it up against the side here, so if you're driving, if you're a passenger and sitting back here, it gives you a nice little table. It gives you a couple cup holders, so you can add your favorite beverage here. And it just gives you a nice little spot here. The cool part about it though, is it's out of the way, but when you want to move it around, all you have to do is you can just have one little table, have your laptop, have your phone, have your drink on here, etc. Or if you want to open it up and make it a larger table, you can do that as well. So it's on a dual hinge system. It's 3/4 inch bamboo. You got two standard cup holders. And then now you have this big table, so when you spin your chair around up here and two people want to eat here, you have a nice table that you can eat at. Or if you're just sitting here and you're doing work on your laptop, eating, etc., you have a great place to, a great service for that. So it's a pretty big table. It's a little over 29 inches by 13 1/4. Folds up nice and neat. Again, swivels around, moves around however you like it. When you're done, flip it up and you can move it out of the way. Or most of the time when I'm sitting back here, this is all the table that I need. So just to be able to have a couple cup holders, a spot for my laptop or iPad, it's perfect. And then when I want, I just move it out of the way. So there you go. This is the new Jenna 2.0 folding bamboo tabletop with dual cup holders. And this is made to be a replacement for the storyteller factory table that goes here. So check it out on our website.